Welcome aboard the Bitcoin Express. My name is Chase. Let's get to it. When it comes to Tezos, a person can delegate their Tezos to a validator to bake or stake on their behalf, and they can receive a reward. A person can do this through an exchange such as Coinbase or Binance. A person can even do this through a Ledger Nano. Now, this is the point where people get confused and they have a hard time wrapping their head around this. On the Ledger website, it shows that when delegating your Tezos, it is completely liquid. You are free to move your tokens anytime, as there are no freezing periods when delegating to a validator. Now, this is very confusing because how can you hold on to the Tezos yourself yet delegate them to somebody who are going to earn rewards on your behalf? Wouldn't you have to give them your token so that they can stake it? If you're familiar with proof of work, you understand that you need to lock up or stake tokens in order to get those rewards. But the confusing part here is you're still holding on to your Tezos. Now, the reason this works is because Tezos uses something called liquid proof of stake. So this is not the proof of stake that you're familiar with, but it's a different variation called liquid proof of stake. And with liquid proof of stake, you delegate your validation rights or your account to a validator to bake on your behalf. So you're not giving your tokens, you're not validating your tokens, rather you're only delegating your validation rights. So you still get to hold on to the actual tokens. Now, if you do sell your tokens at any point of time, you will stop receiving rewards. And the reason this is so is because the Tezos blockchain takes snapshots in cycles. And when they take that snapshot and it shows that you sold your Tezos, then you'll stop receiving those rewards. This is confusing, I know. There's many consensus algorithms out there. The first one you probably ever heard of was proof of work, which is what Bitcoin uses. And maybe after studying it and seeing that it was difficult, you think, I know this, I know blockchain. But then, unfortunately, you start to find out there are so many other consensus algorithms out there, with the second most popular one, proof of stake. And then when you start studying proof of stake, you start to realize that even within this family of consensus algorithms, there are so many different variations. There's delegated proof of stake, liquid proof of stake that we just went over, bonded proof of stake, hybrid proof of stake, and so on. But the great thing about liquid proof of stake and Tezos is that when delegating your validation rights to a baker to earn rewards on your behalf, there's very low risk. And the reason there's very low risk is because in the end of the day, you get to hold on to your Tezos, and the only real risk is that you might not receive the rewards that you expected. I hope that you found value in today's video. If you have any questions, put them down below and I will answer them for you. Show your love, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.